Adventure Goons! Goons! Yeah. Party last night was cool, but today it's out with the goons. Last night was all about the girls, the music and the fun. Today is all about the goons, the adventure. We're going to a place they like to call the Heights. I've never been there, so the goons taking me there today. As you can see, I have my big camping bag, everything. Hopefully I'll hitch a ride down to town. We're supposed to meet there for 2 o'clock by the square. For 2 o'clock. And then we're going up to the Heights. Benji, tell me about a place I can get a tent. Not now, I want a tent. And I have to buy a survival knife. I have a little knife there, but nothing spectacular. Today I'm on mini green. So I will check you on the square. I'm in town by the square now. For a while I'll be cruising in town.
We have a Sergeant mode, make the done go at you through your talking mode. Forensic step in.
Adventure Group, episode 1. Alright, we're deep in the jungles of St. Lucia, heading into the Heights. My name is Nas Grills, and I'm going to take you on an adventure. Right here, we have the wild. Oh, we're still in the city. Let me see, we're heading to the Heights. We're done on a chill already. Right now, we're gonna try to catch a wild snake.
Alright then, no, we not play with them. Tell them say we not play with them. No, we not play with them. No. Come make we sound them out, make the done go at jail through your talking mode. Forensic step in, if it check you out.
We're behind the airport. Adventurers, goons. Adventure Goons!
We are the dogs when the dogs step out. One bad apple spoil a bunch, it I forget take out. Get take out.
Tell them what I tell me dog. And me ignorant, the boy them double check it. Never know them would have run up in a city, me select it. So anyway, the pussy then there's some me left it. Make special effort to make the fussy get it. So no sweat it. Every guns you want me know the manufacturer we make it. When the links them for no say straight I'm have a little set it. When the fiber thing a sound is like busy when we a step it. Everywhere me go me place me have to rep it.
Then, no, we not.
Finally in the Heights. We just starting the fire. It was a nice journey. I think we're going diving off the cliff. We have to dive off that cliff soon.
Come make we sound them out, make the done go at jail through your talking mode. Forensic step in, if it check you out. Have your mama she a ball just because your mouth. We have a sound.
My nigga, this shit looks so scary, dog. It's scary, ass. YouTube. This is for Sparta.
The pussy that does some me left it. Make special effort to make the fussy get it. So no sweat it. Every guns you want me know the manufacturer we make it. When the links of them for no say straight I'm have a little set it. When the fiber thing a sound is like busy when we a step it. Everywhere me go me place me have to rep it.
Alright then, no, we not play with them. No, we not play with them. No, we not play with them. Straight shots me a send. Alright then, no, we not play with them. Tell them say we not play with them. No, we not play with them. No. Come make we sound them out, make the done go at jail through your talking mode. Forensic step in, if it check you out. Have your mama she a ball just because your mouth. We have a Sergeant mode. like the done go a jail through your talking about. Forensic step in if it check you out. Have your mama she a ball just because you're mouth. We have a caretaker.
From your miss the link, we make you step in on the line.
Goons of all shapes and sizes, we have gathered here tonight to honor a worthy chef and stoner, Elton Theodore. You have been chosen to accept the red grinder of truth and the element skippers of nature. Adventure Goons! Nature